As we approach the holiday week, I am very much watching Bitcoin, which I think is very much the story of this year. Love it or hate it, Bitcoin has been the absolutely mesmerizing product for investors to follow. Over the past few days, the volatility in Bitcoin has increased tremendously. As a matter of fact, it fell through the key $15,000 support level and almost breached the very, very important $10,000 support level. And the question going into the holiday week is whether this volatility may actually begin to translate into bigger worries for the other markets, equities, dollar, and bonds. So I think investors should really tread carefully. I would not try to buy the dip here because it could be a very expensive proposition. It could be akin to buying a falling knife. For Trading Nation, this is Boris Schlossberg with BK Asset Management.
Hey there, thanks for checking out CNBC on YouTube. Be sure to subscribe to stay up to date on all of the day's biggest stories. You can also click on any of the videos around me to watch the latest from CNBC. Thanks for watching.